This year, I crashed a few tools and did a few bad setups. No, what the f***? G0Z10. Why the fuck did it? Ah, you dumb shit. Shit. It was too much, huh? Ah, shit. I was in G95 mode, which is distance per revolution, so I tried to make it move 70 millimeters per revolution. That was such a nice brand new drill donated by one of my kind supporters. Well, I'll have to chop the end off that and resharpen it. Oh, whoops. What the hell happened there? Maybe I didn't have it tight. No, there's not enough clearance under here. Okay. Well, that sounded awful. Oh, I didn't tighten the lathe tool. Whoops. I just saw the part move as it chomped into that corner. It's too aggressive, that cut. It's the end of my ring lights wiring. Okay, so not everything I did this year was such a complete disaster as those things. Thanks a lot for everybody who's watched my videos throughout the year. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, I'd ask you to please send a link to 5 other people you know on Facebook or whatever, because the traffic would help me pay for all the tools I'm destroying. And with that, Happy New Year everybody. I look forward to entertaining you with even better videos next year.